See, in Phone Buff's lab test, the iPhone 17 Pro Max lasted 29 hours. The iPhone 18 Pro Max, however, could last 35 hours, almost 6 hours more than the 17 Pro Max. So where does that 20% come from? Let's get into it. See, for years, iPhones ran smaller batteries than Androids, yet still outlasted them. That's because Apple leans more on software efficiency rather than brute force capacity. This year, however, leaks suggest that Apple is finally going to be chasing both at once. Let's start with the obvious part. The battery itself is getting bigger. Multiple leaks all agree that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is getting a decent battery bump. And then there's the chip. Apple is moving to its most advanced manufacturing process yet with the A20 Pro 2nm chip with better internal heat management built from ground up. And that efficiency gain matters just as much as the bigger battery, if not more. Now, how do we know this? Where does the 20% actually come from? Well, it's three things stacked together. The rumored battery size increase, the chip's claimed efficiency gains, and less throttling thanks to the improved cooling system. Put those together conservatively and 20% is roughly where the math lands. I mean, it could end up a bit higher, it could end up a bit lower, but every leak we have right now points towards the same direction. This is a meaningful jump, not a marginal one. None of this is official. Every detail here traces back to a leak, not Apple. But if the math holds, that's the difference between charging every night and skipping a day entirely.